This is an institution that takes quality education to every doorstep. As a result, all the students, privileged, underprivileged, socially and economically downtrodden people's children become graduates and become the agents of social transformation through education. As Saint Ignatius of Loyola says, if God has given you the world's goods in abundance, it is to help you again to those of people and to be a good example of sound teaching to your sons, servants and மிகச்சிறந்த மொழிபெயர்ப்பாளர். இவருடைய வீடு திருவண்ணாமலையில் எல்லா கதை சொல்லிகளின், நடிகர்களின், எழுத்தாளர்களின், இலக்கியவாதிகளின் கூடாரம் என்று சொன்னால் அது சாலச் சிறந்தது. அத்தகைய சிறந்த ஒரு கதை சொல்லி நம்மோடு கதைக்க வந்திருக்கிறார். கதை சொல்லியை கரம் கூப்பி வருக வருக என வரவேற்போம். It is my sincere and bounden duty to welcome our Reverend Father Rector, Vice President of our college, Reverend Dr. John Prakasam S.J. in absentia, for his excellent and perennial support to conduct any program successfully on the campus. He is in Dindigul attending another important meeting, so he was not able to join today, but he will be joining with us tomorrow onwards. A gentle and generous man with exceptional academic talents and meticulous planning to lead all of us to achieve greatest milestones in our academic endeavor is our secretary. He is here for the betterment of our institution with higher goals. My joy knows no bounds to welcome our beloved Reverend Father Secretary, Reverend Dr. Gilbert Camillus, for his generous help and motivation for the smooth contact of this campus 2021. I welcome you, dear Father. With the sweetest sound in this campus, every day, he is a person who welcomes us to the college and leads into the prayer. He persuades both the students and the teaching fraternity. We can hear his distinct voice amidst noise. Students love to hear this voice in the classroom. Above all, an erudite scholar, eminent teacher, good orator and preacher, and good friend of everybody, and good humorist too. He is none other than our beloved principal, Reverend Dr. Godwin Rufus. At this juncture, I am extremely happy to welcome our principal as a very active and innovative personality. He is leading this institution to greater heights. He always ponders about the welfare of the students and this esteemed institution. Hearty welcome, dear Father Principal. It gives me immense pleasure and joy to welcome our beloved Deputy Principal, Dr. A. Sundarraj. He is a person who knows something about everything and everything about something. A knowledgeable person indeed. He is simple in his approach, sincere and systematic in his work, serene in his administration. This is indeed our blessing to have him as our Deputy Principal. And it is my blessing to welcome him to our campus. I welcome you, sir. Dr. Gurusamy, Dean of Students. Without him, this campus Campus 2021 will be in our dream only. And Dr. Naladambi, the convener of the Campfest, also. I heartily welcome our students' dean and the convener of the Campfest today. Welcome to you, dear sir. Jerris Christopher and Prem, our student leaders. Indeed, Jerris Christopher will be always in his serious face. He interacts with the students and also with the officials, and he is a bridge between our staff and management and to the students. I really welcome Jerris Christopher and Prem for this Campus 2021. Welcome, dear students. I consider it as a great opportunity to welcome all the Jesuit fathers, our counselors, brothers, sisters, deans, vice principals and other officials, heads of the various departments, members of faculty, non-teaching staff, media friends, and the technical assistants warmly to this program. Finally, and the most importantly, I welcome all the students, both participants and audience, to this Campus 2021. கடந்த ஆண்டு நீங்கள் இல்லாமல் இந்த வளாகம் கலை இழந்து இருந்தது. நீங்கள் வந்ததால் இந்த கலை விழாவும் நம்முடைய வளாகமும் கலைக்கோலம் பூண்டிருக்கிறது. எனவே மாணவ நண்பர்களே, உங்கள் வரவை ஆவலோடு எதிர்பார்த்து காத்திருந்தோம் கடந்த ஆண்டு. ஆனால் இந்த ஆண்டு நினைவாகி இருக்கிறது. உங்கள் அனைவரையும் இந்த கலை விழாவிற்கு வருக வருக என வரவேற்று அனைவரையும் வரவேற்று விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி.